Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Gulshan Education Wali and I am student of Rehan school system. Today I want to make a review on the TEDx talk of David Garner. TEDx talk which is named is Teach for Tomorrow's World. This TEDx talk is delivered by David Garner. David Garner, who delivered this TEDx talk in 2012. Basically, in David Garner, a UK national, served as head of school at the International School of Indiana, with prior roles in the Netherlands. He holds degree in German and Russian and postgraduate teaching certificates, a master in applied linguistics, and an MBA in educational leadership with expertise in international programs and linguistics. Gardner give us details about as usual we can deliver a lot of reviews on the speakers which are not we in the favor of traditional schooling program. David Garner is also one of them who delivered his TEDx that is titled Teach for Tomorrow's World. This TEDx talk also not in the favor of traditional schooling system. Garnier speaks about the urgent need to rethink education, given how technology, the global economy, and the workforce are rapidly changing. Garner argues that the traditional model of teaching, like specialization and strict standardization, are no longer sufficient for preparing learners for the future. He, he, uh, he is not in the favor of a traditional system. He said that these standardizations and specializations are not be good for us not be good for the learners, not be good for the masters of the future. This there is no widely available uh, information regarding regarding the traditional system. Uh, David Gardner argues that education must evolve to match the demands of our rapidly changing world. Traditional educational system which emphasizes rigid specialization and standardization are outdated in the face of global shift such as evolving technologies, new job market, and the need for creativity and critical thinking. The main point of this TEDx talk is that technologies like artificial intelligence, automation, and global connectivity are changing how work and society function. Educators must prepare students not just with information but with adaptability and interdisciplinary skills. The main point of this TEDx talk is that instead of teaching subjects, Garnier suggests blending knowledge areas. Because due to blending knowledge areas, students will be able to learn how to connect ideas and solve new problems. The main point of this TEDx talk is that standardized test and fixed curricula risk limiting creativity and real world problem solving. Tomorrow world need learners who can think broadly and innovate. He describes about urgency. The pace of global change means educational reforms aren't optional, they are essential. If future generations are to meaningfully contribute to society, uh, their TEDx talk message is that pushes educators and policymakers to rethink how teaching is done in an era of rapid changing. In this 10 talk 10-minute TED talk, Garner argues that modern schools designed for a scarce knowledge era rely on teacher centered lectures and fail to foster critical thinking. That is the demand of this modern world. Critical thinking is the more of crucial and valuable point of a learner's learning. He emphasizes shifting to inquiry based multidisciplinary learning in collaborative spaces to engage students' brain fully. This TEDx talk give us give us learning about how learners inherit the earth while the learned find themselves beautifully equipped to deal with the world that no longer exists. While lacking new data in 2026, its core message on students' engagement remained timeless and inspiring with over 10,000 views, praising its mind-blowing rethink of education. This is the main review of this TEDx talk. Thank you so much.